guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is going to be a home update, which I feel like it's been so long since I posted a home update. I have a lot to share with you all. We are also going to be making over my mom's dining room and turning it into a front living room situation. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that makeover, but I also filmed it here for YouTube because I haven't filmed a home update in a while. A lot of the footage is literally from November, I think. So we've got a lot to catch up on. It's definitely gonna be a good video. New furniture pieces in, a room makeover, shopping haul, basically all things home. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you wanna hang out with me, see how we update our space, transform my mom's dining room, and also do a little shopping, then please just keep on watching. But before we get into today's video, I wanna thank our sponsor, Marlowe. Marlowe is a pillow brand that has honestly created the perfect pillow. I don't know about you all, but I have struggled to find the perfect pillow for so long. I've tried so many different brands, expensive ones, super cheap ones, and this pillow by Marlowe is the perfect pillow. It's perfect because this pillow has a zipper that goes all the way around. So if you want to change the firmness of the pillow, you can just like zip or unzip. You don't have to worry about taking out like foam and it getting everywhere and getting messy, which has definitely happened to me before. It's awesome because they have a cooling foam on the inside of the pillow that makes it the perfect like cool temperature. You don't have to worry about overheating. Marlowe is actually the sister company to Brooklinen, which you know I love my Brooklinen sheets. So I just like to keep my Brooklinen pillowcase on the Marlowe pillow. It's the perfect combination. I'm comfortable at night. It's just so comfortable. I get a great night's sleep. I don't have to worry about like neck pain and back pain, which is something that I was struggling with before. You guys, I literally had a system. I had to have 2 pillows under my head, a pillow like behind my back. Like I just had a whole situation going to sleep. Now I just have it narrowed down to the one Marlowe pillow. It's incredibly comfortable. I'm feeling so well rested. It's honestly the perfect way to start off the new year. Any time of year, really, you want to prioritize your sleep and just make sure that you're well rested, and worrying about your pillow is just not it. So Marlowe is having a deal. If you click the link, my link in the description box, you can save on bundles. If you buy 2 pillows, 2 or more, 3 or more, the more you buy, the more you save basically. So I will have all the information listed down below. Definitely check out Marlowe and their amazing pillow. I'm telling you, you want a good night's sleep, you want to feel well rested, you got to get this pillow. So with all of that being said, if you want to see our home update, see how we update my mom's dining room, switch and change, rearrange, all that good stuff, then please just keep on watching.
What's up, y'all? What's going on? And welcome back. No, I'm just kidding. Today's video, we are inside of the cave, and as you can tell, and today we're going to put some bookshelves in that closet. And I got one of the 3 boxes right down there from IKEA, of course. So if you guys want to see what we get into, how much junk I can fit inside of this closet, inside these new shelves, keep on watching. Let's go. All right, so this is progress so far. I'm gonna flip this onto this one, put it together and stand it up, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, moment of truth. Let's stand this baby up. All right, looks pretty good. Let's put some more shelves in. Let's do this.
Okay, you guys, this is what the closet is looking like in the man cave. If you saw the last man cave video, how we transformed this room, I mentioned that we were gonna do something special with the closet, and we did. We just have these IKEA bookshelves, and I think it looks awesome. We just have like all of Rob's video games, some like old CDs, different little like, y'all, I don't even know the names of half this stuff, but like basically this is what it is: trophies, old gaming systems, like a globe over here, some Henny that he got from when we went to the Bahamas last year. So yeah, we've just got all of Rob's favorite things up here. And I think it looks really, really nice. A lot of you all also suggested doing kind of like a bar in here and having like, I don't know, like drinkware and like cocktail mixers and things like that. And honestly, you guys, it would just remain empty. Like this is literally all we have is like the only alcohol we have in the house, really. So we don't really have that much stuff to like really make like a bar in here, but that would have been so cool. I like the look of that. I think that would have been awesome, but this is way more Rob. This is way more like our speed with just like his like fun, you know, like little toys, collectibles. I don't even know what they're called. Books, DVDs, that sort of thing. And I think it looks incredible. Okay, you guys, so we are at my mom's house. We're going to be making over her dining room into a sitting room, like a front sitting room. My hair looks a little bit crazy. I've been trying to work out and I'm painting anyway. So I was like, there's no point really in trying to get all cute, but I know you won't understand. So this is what this space is looking like right now. It's just a very traditional dining room. So we're going to put a fresh coat of paint on the upper part of the wall to match the wainscoting at the bottom. Is it wainscoting or what is it, y'all? Wainscoting? You know what I'm talking about. So we're basically gonna have the wall one white color and I think it's gonna look great. We're gonna replace the light fixture. We've got a new couch in here. I'm actually doing this in partnership with Joybird. I have a sponsorship over on Instagram, so definitely go over there, check it out, give that reel a thumbs up. But yeah, so I figured I would just vlog what we're doing in here for a home update. So yeah, I will also link in the cards a room makeover that we did at my mom's house last year. We did the guest bedroom, so we are really slowly but surely making over this house, but we're getting there. We're starting down here. I'm really excited, so let's get into it. Right, Rob? Rob is a whole mood.
Took me for granted. Don't recognize you anymore. Once sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit.
Okay, guys, it is day 2. Ignore the blinds. It is what it is. But this is day 2 of the room makeover. We're pretty much done. All we have left is to add curtains, but this is what the room is looking like. We have pops of color. If you're waiting for pops of color on the channel, here you go. This one's for you. This cabinet down here has been in our family for so long. It was my aunt, well, actually my great aunt's when she went to China. She purchased this and I will never let it go. It's a powerful red color and I love it. So I didn't want to do like a DIY on this, change the color, make it neutral. I love it as is. And plus it's in my mom's house. She likes it too. We have this artwork from Joybird, the sponsor of my reel, and they sent this wall art over. So this is like the colorful corner. And then like I said, we're about to add curtains and this is the furniture. So the couch is also Joybird, but I will try to link as much as I can. Oh, I'm about to set up my mom's Christmas tree as well. So I've got like random things out, Rob's hat, like the curtains right there. But anyway, it's still looking really, really good. The light fixture, also Joybird, they sent over. And yeah, I'm just loving this front sitting room. I think this looks really, really pretty. My mom loves it. She's obsessed with it. So I will show you the end result once we are done. Right, Rob?
Yep. Hey, I'm not supposed to be here.
Rob's trying to be quiet on camera. But anyway, so let's get into it. Add the curtains. I'm gonna put up her little Christmas tree and then we'll be done in my mom's house. Okay, you guys, and this is what it looks like with the curtains all installed. I think it looks really, really nice in here. It's hard to believe that this was once a dining room, but it looks awesome. They were not using this dining room as a dining room. It was just going unused. And obviously a brand reached out and wanted to send us a new couch. So my mom was like, absolutely. And we made this room into just like a front sitting room area. So her dining room furniture, we just put over here in this room for the time being. She has her elliptical. And then we also decided to spruce up her living room a little bit. We are going to be updating this space. I told you all that. We're gonna be removing the wallpaper, painting it white, having it be very bright and airy, replace this fan as well. But until we do that, for the time being, this is what we have going on. So when the kids come over, they have their toys in in here in this little basket. I put up the Christmas tree for her. She has her stockings up there. Her, my aunt, and Nala. Those are their stockings. We added a coffee table with just like a family photo album. My mom made a bunch of family photo albums over the years. So I wanted to highlight some of the ones that she made. And then we just have like some family collectible, not collectibles, but like not heirlooms. You know what I'm talking about. Just like some things that were in the family. We added a rug, and then she has her living room couch over here with her pillows that she loves. And yeah, I think it looks nice. Again, you guys, we are gonna be removing the wallpaper, so not too much in the comments. Okay, that's gonna be taken care of. But for what we have, I think this looks awesome. Black Santa approves, I approve, my mama approves, and yeah, so that's what's going on. That's all that matters. I'm happy with it. Happy holidays. It's very festive and cute.
Take a real close look now. Soon you'll realize you don't know what's coming down. I got you hypnotized. Take a real close look now. I'm going to show you how. I'm about to get down. So keep it up right now. So keep it up. So keep it up with me. I need to move. I need to feel the beat. Don't be a fool. You wanna hang with me. Life isn't easy. You gotta roll the dice. You wanna change. Join the paradise. So bring it on if you wanna hang with me. Alright. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out, there ain't nothing like this. You know I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one else. Listen out.
So we are back from Target, and I wanted to show you everything that I purchased. I kind of like laid it out based on, I guess, like purpose in the house. Like this is more like personal items over here. And then I got a ton of cleaning products. So the Swiffers, the Mr. Clean, some 7th generation stuff, Clorox, laundry detergent, some gloves, and I know, look at all that. So I just got a bunch of different cleaning supplies. There was like a handheld part attached to this. I don't know where Briella put it, but so I got their Valentine's things for school. I figured let me just get it now because those things usually sell out. I got this faux stem I thought looked pretty real. Not sure where I'm gonna put this yet, but still just wanted to pick one up. I've really been liking like just one stem. I think looks really, really nice. And then I have this vase. This is a Studio McGee vase. Thought was really cute. This, I guess it's like a mini like catch-all tray. It's like a marble, not even like a tray. It's like a mini like bowl almost. I'm collaborating with Target, so I just had to pick up a couple of things for the collab and a lot extra, clearly. And then I went to Kirkland's and got this beautiful, beautiful white vase. I thought this was so, so pretty and hefty. Like she's huge. So what I want to do, and I put these stems in that I already had just to like see the vision. And I really think that this is going to look nice here in the dining room. Just imagine all that stuff gone. I feel like this really complements this space. So we're going to keep that there. And then I also got this tray. This is a Target find. I thought maybe I could put this in the kitchen on the counter and have like a vase, like a cute little moment for the collab. So yeah, definitely look out for that on Instagram. Give it a thumbs up, okay? And then I just got the kids some clothes for Valentine's Day because I just already know they're gonna do something special at schools. And I was like, let me just get ahead of the curve. And not only that, even if they don't do anything for school, like I can just dress them up in this for Valentine's Day. It'll be really cute. And then RG needed new school pants. So yeah, that is the Target haul. Not too much stuff. I mean, I went crazy with cleaning supplies, but yeah, it's a fresh new year. I just needed fresh new supplies.